How to fix account recovery in progress showing in your iPhone issue. For that, first of all, what you need to do is simply open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm choosing Safari. Once you open that, on the searching bar, search for Apple support. Then go through the official website, that is support.apple.com. From here, scroll down a little bit. There you will see searching icon. Simply tap on it. From here, search for account recovery. Then hit on the search. From here, click on the first link from the top. Now go to the last. You can also review this post. If it doesn't help, then simply hit on the no to the answer of helpful. Here, briefly describe about the issue that you want to recover your iPhone and hit on the submit. iPhone team will help you out to solve your issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.